Hi friend, this is Kabir. In this video, I would like to share my experience with my pen tablet. Name of the pen tablet is star-05 V2 wireless. Now we will check the specification. They are telling it is both wired and wireless. Battery built with lithium. Pen is battery free. That's one of the big advantage. 6 touch shortkeys there. One gloves is providing. It is suitable for both left hand and right hand. Active area 8 into 5 inches. That is very good. Pressure sensitivity 8192 level. Resolution 5080 LPI. So it is good for online teaching. On the box, so I just remove this one. This is our pen tablet, and look this one. Here 8 nib is there with 1 nib remover. So I just keep this here, and now I open this one. So look this one. This is our pen, stylish pen, and it is a battery free pen. And here is a up and down keys there, and this we can use for functional keys. And now I will show how we can remove the nib. So I just take this one. So look this one. So just hold this one. Finish, easy. Now we can fix also. So look at this one. Now I just keep inside this one. So look, just I do this one, and look this one. I can keep this here. This is a pen holder. So I just keep here. And now there is one glove is there. This we can use for left hand and right hand. Always wear this one before using pen tablet. Do not forget. So I just keep proper way. So look, this is a USB charge and one extension is there. Anyway, I am not using this one, only using for charging. This is a wireless connector, and I am always using this one. Now I will connect this on computer. Look the back side. Off on button is there. I just on this one. This is a wireless indicator. If wireless is not working, we can reset here. I just turn. So look, that green color is showing means it is connected to wireless. This is a working area. It is around 8 into 5 inch area there. If I touch inside the area, so you can see white color is blinking here. And if I touch anywhere, it's again blinking. If I touch outside, it will not blink. If I touch any functional keys, it again blinking. Look this one. It is blue color means it is charging. Red color means charge is very less, and green means charge is complete. It will take 2 hours for complete the charge. And the company telling this tablet is working for 14 hours after the charging. Now I will show how we can install XP Pen tablet. Go to Google Chrome and type xppen.com. This screen will open for you, and go to support. So you can see download. Click that, and here just type star and search, and again scroll down, because my XP Pen tablet name is star-05. Scroll down, click that one, star-05. Again scroll down. If your computer configure with the Mac, click here. Window, click here. It will download automatically. Now I will show how we can use pen tablet on PowerPoint. Always wear the glass before you are using pen tablet. Now look the screen. So I already type a question. Find the derivative y is equal to x power 3. Now we will use pen tablet on PowerPoint. So you can select any color. And if you want increase the darkness, you can go here. I select this one, and now I will show how to write. Now I write here y dash equal 3x square. If you want, right, find the derivative. Find the derivative of y is equal to x power 3. Perfectly is coming. What we are writing on the whiteboard in classroom, same effect you will get it. And you can choose different color also. Now I will show how it is working on whiteboard. Go to search, just type whiteboard. So you can see this symbol. This already I download and install in my computer. Just click that one. So look, this screen appeared on your desktop. Click that again. So look, full screen appeared on your desktop, and you can select any color. Go look the down. There's a different color in there. I select red color here. So y is equal to x power 4, and y dash is equal to 4x power 3. If you want to write some sentence, rate of change. Look, perfectly we can write, just like normal whiteboard in the classrooms. And now if you want type anything, go to here and go to text. You can type anything, you can give a headline also, then remaining we can write with the pen. So a lot of advantages there when you are using whiteboard. Next we will check it is working on Word or already I write something on Word here, so I just write this one, then we will check it. So look, y is equal to x power 4. Same effect we are writing on whiteboard and PowerPoint. Let's write one question here. Look, rationalize. Look, same effect. Rationalize 1 by 3 plus root 2. We no need to type anything, and main problem for especially maths teachers, they want to type everything. Now here there is no such problem. We can write just like what we write on whiteboard in our classrooms. That is one of the big advantages. Now I would like to say one more thing. If you are planning to buy pen tablet, go for battery free pen tablet. Why means that if you go for a battery pen, when you are doing some work and maybe battery finish, it affects your entire work. About XP pen tablet, it is good for online teaching. We don't want much more advanced technology. Even we no need this function key also. We go for basic model of backup. We can buy advanced model from XP. Last 2 weeks I am using this one. I did not face any problem still, but you know, this is a electronics item. I don't know how long it will work. It depends on the electronic system. Anyway, it is a good pen tablet. So still I did not face any problem. Now I wind up my video here. So see you